In the PBT, Post-Betrayal Transformation Institute, I do an open Q&A with our members. And once a month, I bring on one of our coaches who they're all certified in moving you through the 5 stages from betrayal to breakthrough, but they each specialize in their own thing. So yesterday, I brought on our coach who specializes in the family. Because if you think betrayal just affects the partners, that's not the case at all. Kids know something is very, very wrong. Think about it. Mom and dad were okay on a Monday, and Tuesday, they can't get out of bed. Something is really not right. So our coach was really working with our members on what's the best way to move through it. Of course, it's different for everybody. And I am a big believer that every parent knows what's best for their kids. But one of the things that came up was this. If you do choose to share this with your kids, and again, this is something that our coach personally works on with our members. Of course, I do too at the transform level. If they are going to share, of course, to what level, to what extent, right? What do they need to know? And how far along is each party, in their own healing? Because the conversation they may have in the beginning when they are either so distraught or so angry, right, may be very different than when they're further along in their healing. So there's so much to digest, so much to say about this. And we also had so many members saying that they had been working with counselors who suggested, oh, don't let them know, or because it's going to really burden them, or, wait until they're older, or only tell the older kids and not the younger kids. And this was one of the situations that backfired too, because when the younger kids found out, they were so hurt that they weren't brought into this family experience, the feeling left out. So much of this that has to be worked through. And again, I'm a big believer, what's best for your kids. Having said that, I do see also that when kids see one of their parents crash and rise, it's a great learning opportunity for them. And also to see, to learn such powerful lessons about whether it's forgiveness, second chances, that people really can and do change. There's such amazing learning opportunities here. But again, this is the kind of thing, we are here to support you through it. We have a coach on hand just for that. But if you're unsure, and I remember Carolyn May saying, better to teach and share from the scar, not the wound. So, you may want to give it a little bit of extra time, just get your own healing under your belt. So this way you're coming from a stronger place. So many things to consider in all of this, but you need to heal. That's the most important thing. As you heal, you become stronger. You have more energy to take on the work of, now how do I help my kids through this? So hope that helps. Follow for more.